Alright, you're welcome back to a 7 days YouTube automation challenge. This is the day 4 of this very challenge, where I'm going to be breaking down what we did yesterday, which was the day 3 of this very challenge. This day 4 is all about practical, no theory, because we're going to be doing only 3 simple steps. Alright, so the first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually edit your videos, structure this very well for monetization. And the step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually edit your thumbnails. And the last step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually upload this, run the policy check, so that your videos will be 100% in compliance with YouTube policy. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. And the step 1 is all about editing our video. Okay, so I'm going to be using my mobile phone. Alright, okay, so here we are. This is the mobile phone. Remember, I told you to download your CapCut. Alright, so this is for beginners. So if you don't have mobile phone, if you don't want to use desktop, you can actually use your mobile phone for this. Okay, so yesterday we recorded our videos and also we generated the audio. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply come over to your CapCut and you click on the new, simply go ahead and import the video you've already recorded. Okay, a laptop screen video, you click on import. Remember, this is also going to simply work for you if you're using your phone screen to record. Okay, and the next thing we have to do right now is simply import the audio. We're going to import the audio file. All right, then click on this audio, then click on extract. Remember, the audio was in video form. Extract the first audio. Okay, so this is the first audio.
If you don't save that as a skill next time.
Okay, this is the second. That was the second.
Most people are using AI.
Okay, so this is the first, this is the second. Okay, so let's first of all import this one and go to the last parts and add the second one. Okay, click on extract again. So mind you, if your own is on audio, you don't have to extract. Okay, you just have to make sure you click on this sound and search for the file, then import it. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and click on the extract because my audio is in video form. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, so it has been imported. The next thing you have to do is simply increase the volume. All right, so you click on it and click on this volume button. Remember, this is the volume button here. Okay, you click on it, then click on this one too, do the same, increase the volume. Okay, so we have the audio and the video. All right, what we do is to go ahead and download some video clips, like stock video clips. Okay, you can use Faceless. They have a lot of stock videos and also stock images. Okay, so first of all, you have to simply start listening to that audio and make sure you match the video with the audio as well. Okay, and also add the overlays. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the overlays that we've already downloaded from Faceless and other website. Okay, so these are the free royalty platform where you can actually download videos. Okay, so you don't have to download videos from other sources to avoid copyright issues. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply play the video while you edit. Okay, so
Most people are using it.
Okay, first of all, because the video has not really started, you have to simply start adding the overlays so that the video will be engaging and also entertaining as well. Okay, so if you come to this if you click on this section that says overlays, this is it. If you click on overlays, then there you can actually add overlay. Add the first overlay.
Search engines when they could be running automated systems that work 24/7, solving problems you didn't even know you had. Today I'm showing you exactly what OpenClaw AI. I'm showing you exactly what.
Okay, so because it talks about OpenClaw AI, so we're going to simply flash OpenClaw AI, add it to the clip. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We are going to increase it. Don't allow the web browser to show, just make it look like this. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is simply reduce the volume.
Showing you exactly what OpenClaw AI is, how to set it up properly, and tenant.
Okay, so let's try to make it look faster. Okay,
Exactly what OpenClaw AI is, how to use cases that turn this platform into something genuinely powerful for your.
okay, so just flash it.
What OpenClaw AI is. Today I'm showing you exactly what OpenClaw AI is, how to set it up properly, and
Remember, all this while we've not added our avatar from the beginning, let's say in various places. Okay, this is the avatar we created for this very challenge. Okay, so let's add it, then make sure it fits in to this particular video. Right, so let's play it again.
most people are using AI agents like glorified search engines when they could be running automated systems that.
Okay, so let's cut it from here. And also this part, for this, let's cut this so that you can actually start from that particular section where it stopped. Okay, so let's add it again. Let's see what it's going to simply give us. Okay, so let's play.
Most people are using AI agents like glorified search engines when they could be running automated systems that work.
You can see how smooth it looks. Okay, but because this is actually wearing a mask, we can't actually detect whether that particular stuff that the audio is saying is what this guy is saying. Okay, so if you come over to this section and play it again.
Most people are using AI agents like glorified search engines when they could be running automated systems that work 24/7 solving problems you didn't even know you had. Today I'm showing you exactly what OpenClaw AI is, to set it up properly, and 10 advanced use cases that turn this platform into something genuinely powerful for your daily workflow. Subscribe to Padded Vibes channel because we break down AI.
You can see the smooth video we are having already. Okay, so let's come back to this very session and duplicate this. So we want to be using this guy. Let's duplicate this guy. Come over to this section that says duplicate. All right, then drag it. So this is just basically how you can actually do all of these things. It's not really difficult, so you just have to make sure you calm down and understand it very well. Okay, go ahead and do your own video, then add your background music. You can add some overlays you've already downloaded from Pixabay, Shutterstock, or pixel.com. right? So these are platforms where you can actually get all of these overlay videos right here. Okay, it is called stock videos. Okay, so I'm going to simply go ahead and do the same for the rest of the video and export your videos. Okay, next thing you have to do is simply create a thumbnail for your video, right? So you can actually use Canva or use Photo Room for your thumbnail. Okay, so the AI image of your avatar, you have to make sure you keep it somewhere and remove the background. Okay, so I've already done the same on Canva. Okay, I search for YouTube thumbnail. This stuff will be refreshed for you. If you want to use this guy looks like an AI agent. Select this. So go to your browser and search for OpenClaw logo. You can say logo PNG or anyone, just search for it. So once you search for that, this is going to simply open for you for your thumbnail. You can see we have many of them. Click on the upload section. Under the upload section, you're going to simply go over to this section and upload your avatar. Okay, so the avatar without any background. Okay, so I've already uploaded mine. If you click on this video section that says folder, if you come to this video section, you're going to see right here. So you can show this the avatar I'm going to simply use. You can drag it to this very section, go to upload, go to image, then click on upload file, then upload the file you've already added. These are the files, then click on open. Okay, so this is it. I think I have to add this here. Remove the background of this, then use this phone screen. Okay, so I'm going to remove the background from this very mobile phone. Okay, so this is what we have now. We have the mobile phone, which is the OpenClaw. That's going to simply represent the app we're talking about. Okay, so we've already gotten some good thumbnail. You can actually do your own design the way you want it. Okay, so this is just the perfect way to actually design your thumbnail. Then once you design that, click on the share button and you download it. Okay, so you're gonna simply download it. So after downloading, the next step is to actually go ahead and upload this and run the policy check. Okay, so uploading this is gonna simply take time, but we're gonna simply use an already existing video to do all of these things. Okay, so I'm gonna simply show you how you can actually run your check to know whether your YouTube video is in compliance with YouTube. Okay, so for you to check that, all you need to do right now is simply go to your YouTube video. Okay, that particular video, when it has not been published live, just copy the link. Okay, when you click on the share, then click on the copy, then go to this video website. This is YouTube transcript. Paste the link here, and this is going to simply generate the whole words for you. All right, this is going to simply protect your channel from future demonetization, future video takedown, and all of that. Okay, and it's going to simply help you to be in compliance with YouTube policy. This is the transcript, then copy it, The next you have to do right now is simply go over to ChatGPT, add this particular prompt. This is the prompt here. Go through this video script, run a policy check on it. Hope no violation of YouTube policy and community violation. Here is the script. Okay, you have to paste the script here. All right, then click on send. So you can see right, this is what we have here. Overall verdict, they say that the script is very much good and okay. But if you notice that this ChatGPT told you that your video is in violation of YouTube policy, all you need to do right now is simply go over to your YouTube Studio. You are not going to be deleting the video, you're not going to be taking the video down. You have to simply go to YouTube Studio, go to that particular video, then cut out those parts that are in violation of YouTube policy, right? So that you will stay safe on your channel and run your YouTube for a longer period of time. Okay, so by the day 5 of this very challenge, I'm going to be uploading this and also monetizing it. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up all YouTube monetization, add affiliate links, affiliate marketing, and also how you can position your channel and also your videos for brand partnership. Okay, and all of these things I'm going to be revealing them in the day 5 of this very challenge. And if you've been following from the day 1, day 2, day 3 of this very challenge up to this very moment, big congratulations to you, because at the ending part of this very challenge, I'm going to be celebrating everybody that have been following from the day 1 to the day 7 of this very challenge. Okay, so if I were you, I will not miss out the day 5 of this very challenge, which is one of the most important day of this very challenge, where we're going to be monetizing this particular video. Okay, so it's one thing for you to make video, it's another thing for you to actually monetize it, okay, and build business around it. Okay, so we're going to be building business around YouTube by the day 5 of this very challenge. See you in that very video.